What is a straw bale garden? This is a method of gardening I invented right here in my own backyard over 30 years ago. It's where we plant vegetables, herbs, or flowers directly into bales. Now, why would you do that? Because there's lots of advantages to growing in bales over traditional gardening method. This can be done by anyone, any age, and any climate. It can be done on asphalt or concrete, even on a rooftop. Straw bale gardening makes it so easy to be successful that we have over 1 million raving fans in over 60 countries around the world. And now, with the introduction of Bale Buster, straw bale gardening is even easier. Bale Buster is the only bale preparation product specially formulated for growing in bales. So visit our website to discover how you can grow herbs and vegetables without much space and even without great soil.